Stop guessing LifterLMS access plan fields. Describe your pricing in plain English and get the plans configured correctly. Payment plans included. Here's the result. 2 access plans on hosting at Casa Corral. Pay in full in a 3-month payment plan. One time is $1,000. The payment plan is $400 a month for 3 payments, and access still lasts a lifetime. This is the free WPVibe cookbook recipe, a beginner marketing job once your course exists and LifterLMS is connected. Paste the prompt with your course and exact prices. The AI shows a plan table first and then waits for your confirm. I drop that into my AI. It creates the one-time plan and the 3-payment plan without touching anything I already had. Back in WordPress, you can audit every field. You approve the table first, and then the plans land on the course. Grab the full prompt free in the WPVibe cookbook, run it on your connected site, and subscribe for more WordPress AI recipes.